Hey, hey! Welcome all, and there is now all out there, because of course I've got 112 subscribers, and I talk to a lot of you on our little chat rooms, which is fan-dabby-dozy. So today we are going to be taking apart my A959B. I hit a wall going flat out, and I cracked the chassis. Couldn't believe it. Me and my son were out having the greatest time, and I just hit the damn wall. I broke that, and I broke this, and I think I have broken the motor. So what I'm going to do is take it apart and see what the full damage is, because I think it's pretty severe. So you know the score. Let's get it. Okay, so at the moment there's a few broken bits in it, but other than that it's okay. I've rounded off the head to the pinion. Shit. So I cannot put it on too wrong side. No, it is the same size. But I've rounded off the bolt, and therefore you can't get it off. I have to order another one of these, but the motor still works. The shaft doesn't seem bent, although I can't get the screws out because I think it took such a whack that I can't seem to get them out. So I'm going to have to completely destroy the chassis. The gears are all fine. This is, two of the teeth have somewhat been a bit chewed. There's quite a bit there actually. Maybe it'll slip, maybe it won't. The front is fine. I think the shaft is straight. Oh, it is bent a little bit. Oh, I don't know. Maybe this car's knackered. Maybe this car is buggered. I'm not quite sure what to do. It's been a hard day in work, so I think I'll leave it there. I'll obviously speed all this up in the editing, because nobody wants to see that, and I'm going to come back to it tomorrow so that I can sort this shite out. Oh man, I hit that wall so hard. I hit it so hard. What can I do? Okay, so that's the end of this. I don't know when I'm going to be able to take my 959 out for a bit now. Well, or order, well, two pinions really. God damn. the ass. But I will order just the one. I don't think that's too big to go in there. Or maybe I can get. No, I can't get those up till I get those up. Right, so we leave it there for today. Not a very entertaining video, I must say myself. But it needed to be done. So I'll edit this up, stick it in, and yeah. Oh, you 959s, you really are a pain in the ass sometimes. Okay, take care of yourself. I'll see you next time. Bye bye.